welcome to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing Vena network. Vena network focus on asset financing network and also where you can lend different cryptocurrency. Now let's go down and see more about this ICO. One thing I like about this ICO is the website is very unique, very unique. I've hardly found any kind of website like this, and it's very professional. And we're going to see more about a team member. According to what I can see, the team members are very, very experienced in the blockchain world. Let's check. It says Vena networks help you to decentralize digital currency and legal currency mortgage lending and OTC transactions. And wherever you are, whether you are traveling or you're in another country, you can do all your transactions. This is the roadmap. You can see different 2018 Q2, the white paper is released. Product conceptual verification and startup development. Launch global community operations including the US, Canada, China, Australia, Russia, and etc. Let's scroll down. And these are the team member. Zhu Zing, the chief executive officer. You can find them here. Lanjian, Dushengyin, and all of them here. Yeah, look at it. Says the highest honor of the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China, the winner of the outstanding student of Shenglian, the founder of Chainboy.io chain technology. You can see that they have experience. Now let's go down to the advisors and see more about it. Now Dice, there's an icon Dice. She was a strategy officer. You can see that the guys behind it are people who know more about cryptocurrency and the blockchain world. And they have a whole bunch of investors here: Fire Blue, Future Capital, VRF Capital, Nudo, Byte Capital, DigiFinex, and Blockchain Global. You can see the number of investors they have. You can contact them here. Now let's check ICO bench. 4.5 reviews, and one Ethereum is 15,000 Vena. This is ERC2 token. It means it is built on Ethereum blockchain, and the hard cap is 9,000 Ethereum. They are based in Singapore, and if you're from US or China, you cannot be involved in this ICO. You don't need to get whitelisted. You don't even need the KYC to be involved in this ICO. And the white paper is unique. It's different from most of the white paper. You can just click on any one there and go directly to what you need, and it's more easier to use. So I love the white paper, the way they arrange it, so beautiful, so nice. And I've always say, please go through the white paper, read it well. It helps you know more about what this project has to offer, what the future of this project is all about. Their Telegram, 8,552 members for now, and I'm very optimistic that this number of the community will grow very, very much, and you can start getting involved with it. So attention collection. So look at the formation here. It says public is about to open and welcome to register for intent. So the public sale will start soon. So this is the time to start getting involved little by little, and it's good you are doing about Vena network now on time. That will be able to give you enough time to be able to get involved with this ICO as soon as you can. So this is my review. I like this project. I'm dropping the link of this website, the Education Boss, so click on it and sign up for the ICO. But do not forget, anything I've said in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Do not take it as a professional advice. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. And before you go, please subscribe and hit the like button. And until next time I come your way, thank you.